Printers are increasingly becoming a core for devices for creating, sharing, and managing digital information. The paradigm shift has really two key drivers to it, and I think Angela outlined them: mobility and the development of cloud architecture. We need to print our digital documents on the move wherever we are, or where the people are we're working with. But this also needs to have the opportunity to take place instantly. The days of the printer as part of a client-server PC network, we believe, are over. Today, printers are a key component of flexible printing services platform, centered on mobile and cloud architecture. And that's true from everybody, from the home office to the large enterprise customer. And here's how it's coming together. Our customers, especially SMBs, don't want to manage yet another IT infrastructure. Customers need solutions that are competitive and that allow you to demonstrate a clear return on investment. And we at Samsung offer printers, solutions and services that are both intuitive and play to the key trends within the IT industry today, especially in the areas of mobility and BYOD. Our innovation, as you've heard in the other presentations, has set the trend in the printing market. From the first mobile print applications and the launch of the world's first NFC printer. Today, I want to share with you our vision for the document of tomorrow. Now, here's what's at the heart of this vision. Firstly, more and more enterprises want to move their business towards a mobile infrastructure. Secondly, SMBs hate complexity. They want solutions that are really easy to use. And thirdly, and I guess perhaps most importantly, whatever the size of the company, they need to be able to manage and use their documents in a maximum secure way. So ladies and gentlemen, let me present to you Samsung Cloud Print. This cloud-based service will allow customers to create, edit, and print documents anywhere, anytime, whether it's from a PC or from a mobile device. And it's collaborative. Documents can be shared through the address book of your device with an intuitive user interface that works really just like a messenger app. And it's got enterprise-grade security built into it, with Samsung's Knox security platform and full data encryption. So let's look at how this simplified sharing process works. For starters, you don't need to download a driver anymore, so there's no fiddling with any PC settings. And to share a document, there's no need to type an email address. Instead, just use the contact details that are stored in the address book of your mobile device. So Samsung has a clear roadmap for its cloud print services, from a public cloud service for individual users to a corporate solution for companies that need extra security. We offer a broad range of integrated cloud solutions. So let's first have a look at SOHO, small offices and home offices. Here the Samsung Cloud Print solution allows users to share and print documents easily using the address book. And with Samsung Cloud Print, it's possible to take an inspiring picture or a photo of a whiteboard and during or after a brainstorming activity and send it straight to the printer in your office. You may be still on the road, but your team gets the opportunity to get the print out and get stuck into the work ideas before you get back. Or how about this? You've got a sales rep who's with a customer. She's asked for a copy of a particular page of a sales catalogue. Not a problem, of course, if she's got the document saved on her phone or tablet. She can send it directly to the customer's printer. Another clever function, your customer signs the order form. You can scan it with your multifunction printer, and from there it goes straight to your warehouse, which ensures that there's immediate fulfillment of the business activity. For small and medium-sized companies, we're introducing Samsung Cloud Print Pro. It's great not just for printing and sharing, it also makes it possible to collaborate on documents seamlessly and intuitively. Users can now create, share, edit, display, and print via the cloud. And it's not just the mobile that connects to the printer. Through the cloud, it works for display devices too. For SMBs, of course, Samsung Cloud Print Pro makes it possible to turn any office into a smart office. Collaboration becomes intuitive and seamless, all the way from creating the document to printing it. So imagine you're rushing to a meeting and you need printouts. Well, you don't need to go back to your PC. Open the document, or scan or upload an image. Instead, you simply start the Samsung Cloud Print app with your smartphone. You select which colleagues need the document and which printer that you want it to send to. In just a simple few clicks, the documents are with your team, giving them enough time to read the information for a fruitful discussion, all without the need to remember their email addresses. Or imagine that you've written down some notes or made a sketch that requires you to share it with the team instantly. With Samsung Cloud Print, this becomes incredibly easy. With just one tap, you can add a nearby printer to your list of devices and then simply hit print. Just dial the recipient's phone number, scan the document, and send it instantly to your team using the Samsung Cloud Print app. Of course, if your colleagues then want to print the document, they don't have to download the file to their computer first. With a simple tap in our Cloud Print app, they can review the document, and if they want, they also have the opportunity to print it. But you don't now have to commit everything to paper. From the app, it's easy to show the document on a screen in your meeting room. Meetings don't have to be about shuffling paper. Make it digital, make it productive, with the help of the Samsung Cloud Print app. And during the meeting, if you've got a good idea and you need to type a note onto a slide, just use the app to capture the thought to make sure that absolutely nothing's lost. After the meeting, the discussion has reached a conclusion. You don't have to go back to your seat and turn on your PC to send the final creative to the printer. Through Samsung Cloud Print app, revised creative could be directly sent to your design team for their review. Of course, one of the top priorities for any company now is going to be security. Samsung Cloud Print offers great data security. It starts with SSL encryption for our cloud services, but it gets even better. Because on Android, the Samsung Cloud Print app is fully compatible with Knox, our secure platform for Samsung Galaxy devices. Knox isolates the enterprise data and applications in a secure container that extends all the way to the printed documents. But as I mentioned earlier, we'll go beyond that. Our next paradigm shift will come with our solutions and services cloud platform. With Samsung devices, you know that they offer a great end-user experience. With the launch of the Samsung Cloud Platform, the added benefit will be that they also connect directly to the cloud to access cloud services and solutions that were not available to them before. On a customer level, all the devices at particular customer sites will come together as one on Samsung's virtualized hosted cloud service. It's an incredibly powerful solution because the Samsung Cloud Platform comes with a fantastic platform API. It will allow systems integrators and solutions providers to offer specialized and verticalized solutions and services. And as I mentioned before, thanks to our integrated service, customers can now manage a broad range of printing sources under an integrated cloud platform. The Samsung Cloud Print app will launch in the second half of this year. First as a free application downloadable via Google Play for Android OS and on the Samsung App Store. And a little later, one of the applications will also be available on the Apple Store. The Samsung Cloud Print app will be compatible with our new A3 Copier Multi-Express series and the new mono and colour laser MFP printers with embedded NFC, the C1865 series and M2885 series. Printers that will also be launched during the second half of 2014. We'll offer firmware upgrades on the network products that were previously launched so that the app could be used with the products retrospectively. With the increased use of mobile devices and its continuous growth in business, the market demands printing solutions that are ready to grow with a company's needs. Samsung Printing Solutions believes in this vision for the document of tomorrow, and we're making it possible through Samsung Cloud Print and our long-term business strategy. Our B2B customers will enjoy a seamless business experience, while our channel partners will be able to create new business opportunities. I thank you for your attention, and I hope you enjoy the rest of Cebit 2014. Thank you.